Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to show you that I've actually cut my hair short. Why I'm actually vlogging, because you guys really love when I do cleaning videos, so I decided to do one today and I'm going to show you my room. So here it is, doing some schoolwork. I think we're going to do that a little bit later. To this corner we're going to fix my bookshelf. It's this. This is actually kind of disgusting. And then the bed is not comfy at all. And then rug over there. And even though I'm gonna start with the table. So I'm done. Just took my hair with a ponytail. It wasn't easy to be clean, but it needs to be brushed. So here's the overview. And my bed looks much more comfier now. Let's just talk about them for a second. Have you seen how long they are? Like, they're so long. Hi. Welcome back to my channel. Whoop whoop. So the next clip that I'm going to play for you is hopefully my morning routine for school. Also, I got a new backpack because my other one broke. I don't know if you can actually see. Let's put it in the light. So I got a new backpack and it's from Beckman, something like that. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the store down below so you can see if there's any one you want. And also there's come like a pimple like right under my nose. So I did have a pimple like right here, but it seemed to be faded away, which is weird because it never goes that fast with my pimples. And then I got this now. So like right after I got this on my nose. Maybe I can see a little bit better now. But yeah. And that's like, why? Why me? But yeah, it's not really a problem. I never get like pimples. So this is like, I got two like in about a week. Totally fine by me. Ow. But the thing is, it's the last video of my England trip. And then I'm going down to eat breakfast. So I'm going to first. So it is now brushing my teeth, fix my face a little bit. Right, so find some cotton pads and I'm going to use my micellar cleansing water. You can use water, makeup wipe, whatever you want. Now take a cloth and put it in water. So for brushing my teeth and also brushing my hair, I'm loving that it is short because it's just much easier to brush. So now I look like a total freak. Now it looks much better. Right, so brushing my teeth is so simple. Just so you know, I am so bad at brushing my teeth, but now I'm made much better. Okay, and also Teddy's running around, so he's just having fun. Alright, so I'm gonna need an outfit to wear. Alright, so for the outfit today, I'm gonna have just workout clothes. And I'm all like saying that I'm like stressing out, I don't have anything to wear, I can't go to school. Well, that is just, I don't really have a lot of black stuff. I have a little white, but you know, it's when the dresses. So it is a little bit later. I am with Teddy, and just so you know, I feel like after I put always my Gorilla Pod on, even though it's huge, like it just feels so much better. It's just automatically, I'm just like, it feels so much better to hold a Gorilla Pod than just holding my camera. I need to open my blinds a little bit more. Let me just, there we go. That was the weirdest way. Yeah, so it's a little bit later in the day and I'm just in my room trying to be as mobile free as possible. big camera because my little camera is charging. I've been filming on the big camera when I clean. I really hope you enjoy that little montage. I'm just gonna put in my chair. Then I also need to do something. So it's like an overview. This is so empty now. It feels weird, but it's good. It's good that this is empty because if this is empty, then I have much more space that I can put things like where they are. So over here is my bed, and I have pretty much the things that are on my floor on my bed. So here is just like a box of toys, a box that is also random. It's pretty much a file that sort of keeps magazines that I love, Teddy's stuff, and Teddy's cage. He's now in there sleeping, hopefully. Yeah, he's sleeping. And then I just sort of took my weights here because really don't have another place to put them. I need to fill this with water because I'm super thirsty. And then this is all empty because this needs to be vacuumed. And then the bookshelf is just as normal as possible. Now I'm going to take this, which is Teddy's thing that he's on, or else he will get really like cold. No, Dad, there's a bird. No, poor thing. No, it's... Oh, no.
I'll be back.
It was a bird. It's a bird there. If you didn't see, it's dead. So, probably has crashed in the window. That is so sad, though. Okay, I'm going to do this now before I get any more, like, you know, hysterical. Oh my god. Literally scared the crap out of me. And at the same time it scared, or it really shocked me. The thing, oh wait, I forgot my, you serious right now? I forgot, like, the towel. You serious right now? So sad I forgot my towel. It's actually been some hours or a lot of hours before I vlogged to you last. So I'm just editing the vlog that you actually are watching right now. And this vlog is like a mixture of a lot of vlogs. I'm absolutely like, I've never done that before. I think I've just done like two to 3 days, but I never ever thought that I would do like a lot of vlogs in like one vlog. So glad it's over. So our room is finally clean, everything. Oh my goodness. Alright. So here is the overview. and I'm very, very happy with how it turned out. Bye bye. Bye. Hi guys, so I totally forgot to say goodbye yesterday, but I will say goodbye now. So before I go, as you can probably see, I have wet hair. That is because I really need to wash it. So it's now washed and cleaned, and it smells like lavender, which is perfect. But I'm just need to tell you, I feel like I have enough trousers, but I feel like I've been so crazy lately with my style, so I thought, why not spice it up? So I'm going to the mall next week, and hopefully, in case I do, probably vlog and find some trousers and some knickers as well, because I need just look around and see what I can find, and if they fit me and think they're enough to walk with, and you know, all that kind of stuff. So almost done. As you're watching this, I'm almost done editing this vlog that you're watching, so yeah, I'm like halfway, but I'm a good way. But I'm gonna say goodbye now. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog, and like I said, if you want more of these, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment what you like to do in your spare time. Alright, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.